that, you can see that we have this section, so we have to make this section now. So for making this section, we have to add this two section layout. Okay, so this is the about section, so always name a section. So let's name this about. Okay, then after that, you can see we have to add some spacing. So here we can add 1300 max width. Here we can add like this, and here also we can add 80 pixel to the section to the top and 80 pixel to the bottom. Okay, then after that we can go to the styles, and here we can have this theme 3, and here we can add a container. And okay, then after that inside this we have to add two containers. Okay, so this is for the left, and this is for the right, and this is one. Okay, and here you can make this like this. You can also duplicate this, and we can make this two. Okay, in the left we can make the layout like this. Okay, now you can see we have this image. So for this image we can click on this one, and here we can, so here we can have this image. So we have to choose this image now. Okay, now you can see this is looking like this. Now we can do this as center, and this is the display side would be cover. Okay, now we can go to the layout, and here you can see we have the, okay, so here we have to add the height. So let's add the height of 300 pixel. Okay, for this I think 400 pixel. Okay, then go to styles, and here we can make this border, and border would be solid, and this is the 3, and here we can make this like this. Then for the border radius we can add this 20. Okay, then you can see we have to duplicate this image. So let's do one thing, let's delete this second one, and we can duplicate it directly. Okay, then we can name this too. Okay, then inside this here we can make add this image like this. Okay, we can also make this image to 500. Okay, like this. Now you can see we have this image inside this also. Now we can add a image here, and we can choose this flower image. Okay, so we can choose this image. So now we can also use the custom value, and we can just play with these properties. Okay, and here we can make this to 2, and we can make this at the end and the center. Okay, now you can see we have this margin property, em value, and in the bottom we can add this like this. Okay, and the right also we can add this. Okay, so you can see this is looking good. Now we can make this. So for making this, what we can do, we can just go to the top, and here we can just copy this container, and we can click on this here. Then we can name this about us. Okay, and here we have the btn box, and this we can make this like this. Okay, and here you can see we have this right, and this is left. Then we have this about, and we can make this to 60. Okay, now you can see we have this. So for that we can just add this heading. Okay, and we can change the content. Okay, we can just go here and we can change the content. Okay, now you can see we have the lorem ipsum, so we can also copy the lorem ipsum here. Okay, we can copy this. Now you can see we have this line. So for the line also we can just copy this line. So we can just copy this, we can paste this. Okay, and here also we can make this like this. Now we need this, so for that we can add a container. Okay, like this, and here we can add a grid. Okay, like this. We can make this 2, and this is 1. Okay, then inside this we can add a new container, and here you can see we have this type of layout. So let's first do this. Then we can use the icon list from here. Okay, you can see we are using this icon list only, so we can just copy this from here. Okay, so in this way you can see, so that's why we are using Elementor. So in the Elementor you have to make things only one time, then you can just duplicate this. So let's duplicate this multiple times like this. Okay, you can also add the spaces here. Okay, you can just play with the fonts and all. If you want to make this smaller, make this capitalized, so like this. Okay, you have to just change the context. Now what we can do, we can just go here and we can just duplicate this. Okay, we can just duplicate this and we can also create some spaces. Okay, let's save this. Let's save this, and after that you can see we have this book now button. So for the button we can just copy this and we can just paste this here, and after the container we can place this by using the structure. Okay, so you can see we have placed it. Okay, so now you can see we have successfully built this. This is little bit bigger in the height, so you can also do that if you want to make the height bigger. So let's refresh this and let's go back, and here you can see all this is also looking good. Just you have to make this if you want to make this bigger, you can just click it here. Let's make this 550. You can also make this 600. Okay, like this. And for this first image also we can make this 500. Okay, let's publish. Okay, now what we can do, we can just refresh this here. Okay, let's refresh this and you can see we have this here.